Gentlemen, we've had success with phase 1. Expensive cars,
Vroom.
money,
Classic Tate W.
and most importantly, women. We do be getting them bitches though.
Classic Tate W,
Yo,
man. You're the
women.
best. Women.
But it's time now for phase 2 of our journey. And that, gentlemen, is self-love. Observe closely, gentlemen. Oh, come
Yo, is this real? Full send it, Tank.
Yeah, hell yeah. Full send it, brother.
Well, I gotta try this.
Good idea.
Oh, fuck. Let me get a smoke off your cigar. Yeah. Oh, here, take that. Yeah, put that in your mouth. Okay, I will. Oh, fuck. Oh, blow that smoke out. Oh, I will.
Andrew, your cigar tastes so good.
Oh, my fucking God, that tastes so sweet. But not as sweet as you, baby.
I don't think I have a mirror, eh? Oh, wait, yeah, here's one.
I'm a real tough
wait.
bloke, aren't I? Oh,
Hey,
yeah,
wait.
You are. Oh, you are.
Hey,
you
wait.
dirty fuck. Hold on, baby,
Wait.
hold on.
Did he just give birth?
What's going on, lads? What's the problem?
You gave birth. That's like a woman thing, right?
Giving birth is like a woman thing. Yo, this is sus.
Like, one of you guys are female or a woman or something, eh? I don't know, like something. Full send it.
Guys, I'm not a female. If anything, he's the female. What are you talking about? You were the one calling me baby the whole time, which is classically a female move. Fine. Let's prove who's a man right now, then.
Fine! What's going on? Bro, this is crazy, man.
Who am I?
Bro, no! Bro! Yo, who will lead us now?
Money.